If you find yourself locked out of your American Express account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This process will guide you through verifying your identity and restoring your account. Step 1. Visit the American Express website. Go to the official American Express website. Look for the login section and click on it to access the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot User ID or Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generated and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your personal information such as your card number, social security number, and any other required details. Fill in the information accurately to proceed. Step 4. Verify your identity. After submitting your information, you may need to answer security questions or receive a verification code via email or text. Follow the instructions provided to verify your identity. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be allowed to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it to regain access to your account. After completing these steps, you should have access to your American Express account again. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting American Express customer service for further assistance.